Hi loves, I'm going to be using 2 cups of water for this puff mix, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, some sugar, that's 1/4. You can add as much sugar as you like, but I don't like my food too sweet. I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg for extra flavor. Mix everything up. Add your 3 cups of flour. Mix everything up nicely. Once everything is getting smoother and smoother, that's how it looks so far. So I'm just going to be mixing it again a little bit and covering it up with a plastic, with a transparent wraps, and I'm gonna be putting a cloth over it. And make sure you put this in a safe place, so that in a warm place, so that it helps rise. Not hot oven, no. Make sure your oven is turned off, that way your food doesn't burn or melt or whatever. But this is it. Everything has risen so well and it looks good. I'm about to start frying. So far I've been frying, and if you can't make these balls yourself, I think you can probably put in a plastic bag and just burst a hole underneath and like try to do it. But I don't know. Yeah, it was a whole struggle to do the hand movement thing, but I tried. I think I tried. How do you think I did? Yeah. If you want to take your puff to the next level, you need to watch this video, okay? And everything came out nice. That's how it looks so far. One trick when frying your puff, make sure you're frying on medium heat. Make sure your heat is on medium heat, or else if it's on high heat, your puff is gonna burn and it's not gonna cook to the inside. If it is on low heat, it's going to just drink all the oil. So make sure it's on medium heat, okay? This is my puff check, and everything was so nice and so tasty. I feel like making some more. Thank you guys. Bye.